All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Double Advantage Property Review video. Today we're looking at, we're so excited about this property, 193 Memory Lane in Bardstown, Kentucky, 23 acres, just over 23. It's 23.18. It's a 1,800 square foot ranch on the upper level with a finished walkout basement. It's got an attached 2.5 car garage that has a kitchen in there. It's perfect for entertaining friends and family. You also have a detached 3-car garage that's powered and also has 220 power. There's also a barn. There's a small, this property is perfect for having some livestock, really getting off grid, homestead living. Exciting stuff. So you'll definitely want to get this one on the schedule. The walkout basement is finished. It has 1,350 square feet. It's open floor plan in there. It's really in great shape. It was built in 2005. It's got a pool. Look at this. We're going to do a flyover real quick. And this property has got it all. Deck, pool that's got a brand new liner in it. I think it's 18 months old. Brand new pump, brand new filter. Beautiful views all around. Again, 23.18 acres. And what's not to love about this property? It's got room, as you can see in the driveway there. And we'll start flowing through these pictures. Room for camper, boat. They actually have a boat in the garage. You've got room everywhere, no shortage of storage. Beside the garage, you have an ATV cover that they're using it as a barbecue or smokehouse right now. This thing could be uncovered. You could put your ATV in there or anything else. It protects it from the elements. They are getting a brand new roof on this house, and the HVAC is only 2 years old. So good stuff, good stuff. It's vinyl siding with a brick around the foundation and the back, if we'll see that. Some above shots here. And just look at this. Peace and quiet. If you want to get away from it all, this is the place to go to. The deck has Trex for the most part. Some of it's wood. The padding for your feet is the footing, I guess you'd call it, is Trex, and it's made to last. It looks great. And just look, this is a view out front. It is from the drone shot, but there's a pond over here that is belongs to the neighbors, but it's very nice to look out on the front porch. Now we step inside. The rooms are all large. They all have ceiling fans, fresh paint in there, very modern, kind of a grayish color, which everybody loves. The bathrooms have been updated. This is actually the hall bath between the two secondary bedrooms. But gorgeous. We're kind of going backwards on this, but this is the basement. Wide open. You've got room for a family room. You've got room for a gym. You've got room for a recreational area. And then in the back, you have an area over here that would be perfect for a theater or media area. And over here on the other side of that, there's another space that is perfect for storage. You could put a 4th bedroom down here if you want. You've got the full egress windows. This steps out onto the patio, which is large enough to have a hot tub or whatever you want out there. It's really spacious. Everything is roomy. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. They're using it as an office right now. Got a ceiling fan in here. Here's the primary bedroom. It's got 2 windows. It's Berber carpet. It's in great shape. Again, you've got that fresh paint in there, and it's a pretty good sized room. I want to say it's 17 by 17 feet. I have to look to the notes for that, but it's a large space, walk-in closet, and you get in the bathroom. The primary bathroom has been updated as well. It looks fantastic. I love everything about this property. If I was in the market, this would be the one. Looks good. Oh, let's go back to that real quick. This tub over here is a jetted tub. Large enough to fit 2 people in there, and it kind of has a step that gets inside of there. I haven't seen one like this. I really like it. And this is the sitting area, and then you have the great room. It's vaulted, as you can see. Decorative front entry with inlay glass. It's gorgeous. Plenty of light in here. Ceiling fan. Pergo flooring in there, so if you have pets or kids, they can't scratch this stuff. It stays in great condition. And this is from the other angle. We have asked that they move the furniture back against this wall. It really opens this space up. It doesn't look as large with the furniture kind of pulled over, aimed at the, let's get back over here, aimed at the TV set. But you've got a sitting area back here. There's a closet. Very spacious in here and airy with plenty of light. The kitchen, amazing. It's an eat-in kitchen. Tons of counter space and cabinet space. It's got the breakfast bar over here you can see, and a dining area that steps out onto the deck. Modern lighting in here with some recessed lighting over the bar, the breakfast bar area, and custom wood cabinets in here that look fantastic. And just look at this, stainless steel appliances. You've got a glass top stove. Everything's electric on this house. It is public water with a septic system. And this kitchen is perfect for having folks over. In the pantry here, you have pull-out drawers. Big positive. There's 4 drawers that you can pull out here that will hold a ton of stuff, and it looks great. And what's not to love about this house? Over here, you have a little coffee nook next to the refrigerator. I love to have a little area where you can keep all your coffee stuff, and that's perfect. Here's the laundry room. It's large. It's got cabinets, countertop to work with, shelving. You got an area where you can hang things, and you've got this window that looks out back. It's very nice, and then you have access to the attic there, one of the access points. And just another take on the kitchen. This is one from a little bit higher, so you can kind of take the whole area in. Got a couple of those. Opens up to the great room. And this is the basement door here that steps down. Very wide steps going down into the basement if you're wanting to take furniture down there. I would probably bring it in the back, down in the patio area. But here you can see the deck and the Trex, and just very private back here. The pool. Over here you see this pretty decent sized barn area. Would be perfect for goats or cattle, or you name it, ostrich, you name it. They have a big garden area back here as well, and just views and pretty private all around. You do have some neighbors up in the area, but they're in the distance. This is that attached 2.5 car garage. It's got a pull down ladder that goes up for storage above the garage. But you've got, over here you see that the HVAC system is in a closet in the garage space. That keeps things quiet. When that kicks on and is running, it's much more quiet in the house, and that's nice to have. You've got a door that comes in the side, and all this wood paneling. It's insulated and comfortable, but you've got a stove out here, a microwave, a sink, a refrigerator. Perfect for having folks over, doing some barbecuing, having a cookout. Good stuff. And so then this is the main picture that's on the MLS. You might see it on Zillow. It's something I put together that it kind of captures the entire essence of what this home has to offer. Again, so let's go over this real quick. 23.18 acres, 1,800 square feet above ground, approximately, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a finished walkout basement that is 1,350 square feet approximately. It's open concept down there. They've got a space that would work great for a theater. They've got a space that would work good as a project area or storage area. And then you have a big family room area, gym area, and a recreational area. You could do whatever you want down here, but I have a vision for what I would do down there. And so it's very exciting what they're offering down there. And so it's got a pool, it's got a barn, it's got an attached 2.5 car garage, a detached 3 car garage, and the property for the most part is fully fenced. And so if you want to have a place for your dogs to run or your livestock to stay within, you would be in a great location for that. Well, if you want to see the price, I recommend you go to Zillow or Realtor.com or Homes.com. If for some reason that changes, we don't want to mention it in the video because it kind of it is misleading, right? And so if you would like to see this house, give us a call. We'd be happy to show it to you. I think it's amazing, and I think that you would love this as well. Anybody who sees this is going to love it. My phone number, 502-724-4484, or you can check us out at mobyshow.co. We'll be posting this video on YouTube, and it'll also be accessible from our website, mobyshow.co. Thank you all so much. You have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.